Master the present perfect tense, expressing past actions with present results. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to focus on an essential aspect of English grammar, which is the present perfect tense. More specifically, we'll be exploring how we use this tense to express past actions that have an impact on the present. So, without further ado, let's dive in. To start, let's take a brief moment to refresh our understanding of the present perfect tense. This tense is formed using the auxiliary verb have or has plus the past participle of the main verb. An example would be, I have eaten. This tense is special because it can show a link between the past and the present. The specific nature of this link can vary, and today we're focusing on how it can show past actions that have a result in the present. Now, let's delve into how we use the present perfect tense to express past actions that have present results. This use of the tense is common when the action is recent and the result is visible, important, or new information. The action can be either complete or ongoing, as long as the result is relevant in the present. For instance, imagine that you've just finished reading a book, and now you can discuss it. You might say, I have read the book, so now we can talk about it. The action, reading the book, is in the past, but the result, being able to discuss it, is in the present. Let's look at more examples to solidify this concept. 1. She has lost her keys, so she can't get into her house. The action is losing the keys and the result is not being able to enter the house. 2. We have moved to a new city, so we are in a different time zone now. The action is moving and the result is being in a different time zone. 3. He has broken his leg and therefore he can't play in the match. The action is breaking his leg and the result is not being able to play in the match. Notice how each of these actions is in the past, but the results are impacting the present situation. Alright, there you have it. You've learned how to use the present perfect tense to express past actions that have an impact on the present. Remember, practice makes perfect. So try using this tense in your conversations or writing whenever possible. Thanks for watching, and keep up the great work on your journey towards mastering English.